New vocabulary. New vocabulary.
Abash. Abash.
Synonyms. Synonyms.
Embarrass. Embarrass. Ashamed. Ashamed. Shamefaced. Shamefaced. Disconcert. Disconcert.
Her rude comment abashed a shy student. Her rude comment abashed a shy student. The teacher's scolding abashed the child. The teacher's scolding abashed the child. The politician's corruption scandal abashed his supporters. The politician's corruption scandal abashed his supporters.
Shah Rukh's performance abashed the audience in Pathan movie. Shah Rukh's performance abashed the audience in Pathan movie. Here are some more examples. 1. The actor's poor performance abashed the director. 2. The student's low grades abashed her parents. 3. The company's financial scandal abashed its investors. 4th, her mean words abashed the new employee. 5. The athlete's defeat abashed his fans. 6. The artist's criticism abashed the young painter. 7. The CEO's resignation abashed the board members. 8. The scandal abashed the entire community.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.